The let function is a great Excel tool for assigning names to calculation results and variables in your Excel formula for ease of writing and ease of accessibility. Let's start here on cell C5 and walk through the arguments. Equals let and tab it in. Here I have three required arguments: name 1, name value 1, and calculation or name 2. So in my example here, I have all my agent subtotals, and I have to make sure that each subtotal gets added to my additional cost to give my client the grand total. But I want to go ahead and add up all my additional costs here, but for ease of access, I'm going to go ahead and assign a name to the result of adding up my additional costs. So let's call that name add cost, comma. Name value 1 means what value am I assigning to that name. The value is going to be the sum of my additional costs. Once I create this, Excel is going to store that named variable in the formula, and it's going to make my calculation a lot faster. My third argument is calculation or name 2. I can do another variable name, or I can do a calculation. Let's do a calculation. Let's say take the subtotal, and we're going to go ahead and add it to the sum of my additional costs, or what I called add cost. I'll go ahead and put that variable name I assigned, and it pops up in the IntelliSense almost like a function. Tab it in, close it out, push enter. And here I see the let function.